Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review of the Ceroelda trash container. This is going to be a small bathroom trash can that you can currently get on Amazon for about $30. This is going to be the white and gold version, but they've got several color options. One's going to be black and gold. They have white and gold. They have black and black, white on white. And then they have a milkier kind of off-white color as well. The overall capacity is going to be 5 liters or 1.5 gallons. It's going to be a small bathroom trash can, nothing too special, but I currently just moved, so I'm going to be doing an unboxing of pretty much everything that I purchased, kind of discussing rationale and just going through it as we go. For those of you that are following online or looking at certain products that I purchased. As far as shipping, no issues. And then here's the actual trash can. Okay, and so this is basically what it looks like. So it's basically a white, kind of, I don't know if it's plastic or metal. Yeah, it seems more like a sturdy metal, yeah, aluminum on the outside. So it's aluminum on the outside, aluminum here, and then plastic along where the gold is. But actually a nicer build than I anticipated for a small $30 trash can. But basically it's got a step stool. There's a mechanism up top that allows you to open it. There's actually an aroma insert here, so if you wanted to put something in here for doing aroma to prevent it from smelling, you could put some sort of aromatherapy there. And that clicks and stays there, which I've actually never seen that before, but that's pretty cool. And then on the back here, there is a tie here, which I think would be to just hold it or carry it, but that's there as well. And then the step stool itself is like feels like aluminum as well. But that's what it looks like. No dents, no scratches, anything like that. That's the white and gold version. It's a very small trash can. Will work well in the bathroom. On the inside here, there is, let's see, yeah, the insert does come out, so you can basically just put a trash bag in here and pull this out if you to avoid kind of a mess or anything, or if you want to bring it into the kitchen or bring it to your other trash. That's convenient as well because it prevents making a mess. And then actually we'll look in the inside here, and this is what the mechanism looks like. Basically it's all metal, nothing plastic. And then the bottom is plastic, it looks like on the bottom there. But that's all I have for this video. So this is the Ceroelda trash can. You can currently get this on Amazon for $30. For the price, I think it's definitely worth it. It's very good quality as far as being an aluminum build. I like the look, the size. Really, I'll just have to use it, see its functionality, and see whether I run into any issues. But if you're interested in purchasing this, please use the links below. And thanks for watching, and have a great day.